Full experience.
Leftover burrito. I have leftover burrito along with your blueberries. Oh, la cacaracha.
I wonder they're shitting on big old shits.
Pablo's Mexican Grill. Huh? You like that? Burrito por los pollos. No pollo burritos. Burritos por los pollos. There they go. Yummy, yummy. And what does this one want? You want in there? You want in there and see them chickens? Look at, she's like, hello. I'd like some chicken this morning. You stay away. Don't you go in there, girl. I don't think they want you. You're a scary little girl for them. You like them chickens?